In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tableau's Marks card effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open Tableau and either open an existing worksheet or start a new one. This is your canvas where you can visualize the data insights that you want to convey. Once you've done that, it's time to create a basic chart by dragging fields onto the rows or column shelves. This will lay the groundwork for your visualization, where you'll see a simple representation of your data. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of the worksheet. Just below the rows and column shelves, you'll find the Marks card. The Marks card is a powerful tool in Tableau, acting as a key component where you can customize and enhance your visualization to better tell your data story. By default, the top of the Marks card is set to Automatic, but you can click this drop-down to select different mark types such as bar, line, circle, shape, or text. Choosing the right mark type can significantly impact how your data is perceived and understood by audiences, so feel free to experiment and find what best suits your narrative. Next, you can drag fields onto the shelves within the Marks card to further refine your visualization. For instance, let's start with the color shelf. By dragging a dimension or measure here, such as region or sales, you can assign colors to different data points, providing a clear visual distinction that aids quick comprehension. Moving on to the size shelf, you can adjust the size of your marks based on a particular field. This feature is particularly useful for highlighting differences in magnitude or importance across your dataset, allowing important insights to stand out at a glance. Adding labels is another crucial function of the Marks card. By dragging fields to the label shelf, you can add text labels directly onto your marks. This adds another layer of detail to your visualization, ensuring viewers are never left guessing the specific values or categories being represented. The Details shelf lets you add additional dimensions to a mark without altering the axes. This means you can incorporate more granularity into your visualization, allowing viewers to discern subtle yet valuable data nuances. Then there's the Tooltip, which is all about interactivity. By adding fields to the Tooltip shelf, you control what viewers see when they hover over marks within the visualization. This can provide on-demand information without cluttering the visual space, enhancing both clarity and depth. Finally, don't overlook the ability to fine-tune the appearance of your visualization. Clicking on elements like color, size, or label within the Marks card gives you the option to make adjustments such as changing colors or font sizes, ensuring your end product is as polished as it is insightful. With these strategies, you're now equipped to harness the full potential of Tableau's Marks card, allowing you to create dynamic and impactful visualizations that engage and inform your audience. So go ahead, explore and experiment, and watch how your data stories come to life in striking new ways.